Today is the Heceta Head Light Station birthday party. The light station is 123 years old today. The turnout today was amazing. We had people waiting at the gate. The yard was full of kids playing games, people sitting in the sun on the front porch. The turnout was amazing. We had live music from Marty Adams and C Strings Quartet and High Tide. And we had cupcakes served and hot chocolate and coffee. The weather today was just a gift because the sun was shining and there was barely any wind, so all these people were out coming to the lighthouse, to the gift shop, to the keeper's home, and so many of them just stumbled upon the party. This whole event was put on by volunteers and sponsorships and donations from the community, and the money that we gained from donations and raffle tickets goes to the restoration of the light station and to help put on events like this that the community can come to and enjoy the space for free. It's a great community event.